What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to go over what's going on next with the car since the wheels are here and we're about ready to go on those here shortly as soon as I get my tires in. The next big thing that I want to tackle here is the braking system on the car. It's terrible. It's a single pot front, single pot rear on the Impreza. So we're looking to do the 207 swap. Turbo engine is going to mean that I need stopping power. So, and I wanted a smaller wheel, so I went with the Speed Lines 15-inch wheel. They are designed to fit over these. These are, what they consider Group N brakes. So we're going to take a look at them. These are from K&S. These are the adapter plates for the rear. They mount on. You can either do the regular backing plate from the GC8 STI. So some people buy the factory one, and they just mount them on those, or you can get this nice little adapter plate. They are very light. They're extremely light. And then all the hardware is here. I actually bought these secondhand. I don't know how much they are new, but I think I spent $40 on this kit by itself. I think they're like $100 or around $100. Now, for these brakes, they are in awful shape. I mean, awful shape. There's just a lot of corrosion. So the good thing about them just having a good amount of corrosion on them is a lot of it can just be sandblasted off. Some of this will need a little extra attention, but I don't think it'll need that much, to be honest. I'm going to actually have a professional handle this. So I am not equipped to deal with this like I would want it to be done. So, fortunately, the money that I saved when buying these calipers, I'm just going to tell you the price that I got them for. $250 for this entire set, and it was a local buy. I drove to Aberdeen, Maryland, which is, maybe an hour and a half from where I live. So yeah, I spent $250 on this. These could easily go for $500 or $700. I've seen online. Probably not in this condition, but certainly this set. Now, it's going to cost me a little over $700 to get this redone proper. So, and that's just because I'm getting them painted and all that, and sticker and a full OEM rebuild. So they will be rebuilt completely, brand new. So that tells you about what I'm into for just the calipers. Now the rotors, I'll probably do something easy, like, I don't know, probably a R1 concept for now until I can figure out what I'm going to do. I know I want to get a two-piece front rotor for autocross and stuff, so just to keep the heat out of the hubs. But that's pretty much it for me, for my brakes. So that's going to be the setup. This caliper is actually seized on that rotor. I have to figure out how to get that off. This is basically how the box was given to me, so it's just the way it is. And I've had these brakes for probably 2 years in the box. It's just been kind of floating around. I've had these longer, actually. Just a matter of time before I can get them on. 4-pot fronts. That means there's 4 pistons that close down. I might need to do a master cylinder too. I got to do the research on that. I actually don't really know if I'm going to need to do a master cylinder, but I would imagine since you got to push more fluid for these, you would need probably, these are 07 WRX calipers, so maybe that. And these are the rears, the 2 pots. So they're not real heavy, to be honest. The fronts are. These are extremely heavy, as you can imagine. The dude left the pads and all that stuff, but I'm gonna buy a ready-to-go kit, pads, rotors, everything ready to go. So yeah, that is the next project. So, thanks for following along. These are gonna probably happen, I would imagine, within the next month, because I'm pretty much ready to go for the wheels. I just need to get the tires here. So the brakes definitely are going to go on when I do the tires. So it'll be a one-day deal to do tires and brakes together. I'm going to figure out what I need for new backing plates because mine are obviously rusted to crap and they're just junk. And there might even be a delay in doing all this because the wheel bearings are shot, and I might do those while I have everything apart. So, and if I take it all apart, if I do it in the driveway, I might take everything to the shop to have it done there, and then have everything powder coated so that it's nice and clean. So, I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. What do you guys think? Put something in the comments below. Let me know what you think. I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, oh, you should have gone Brembos. Well, Brembos don't fit under 15-inch rally wheels, so this is what I got. So yeah, I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you soon.